So we're on holidays in Thailand and our first stop is Bangkok. We live in a very nice area full of shopping centres and cafes, and one of them is newly opened but already famous Le Café Louis Vuitton. It's fully booked for the next few months, but we decided to try our luck and woke up earlier to get ourselves on a waiting list, and hopefully we will make it by the end of the day. So there were so many people in Louis Vuitton and we got on a waiting list. But the chances are very low that we were gonna get there today. So instead we went to the shopping mall just in front of it and we found some incredibly delicious Japanese sweets. It's so funny, we're in Bangkok eating Japanese sweets. They are delicious. I honestly miss Japan. So good. Meanwhile, I'm planning to do some shopping at Uniqlo. We don't have this brand in the country where I live, so I'm very excited to see what's new and buy a few basic items. So let's start with the first item. I love this bra sleeveless top. Actually, I bought mine a while ago during my trip to Japan, and I've been wearing it on a regular basis since then. It's a lightweight, supportive tank top that feels amazing, and it's a great alternative to wire bras. And you know guys how much I love wearing linen, and I was so happy when I found a pair of these linen and cotton blend trousers. They're very comfy and so easy to style. White t-shirt is a wardrobe staple and you can never have too many of them in your closet. So today I found a super soft one made of Supima cotton, and it has smooth feel and beautiful texture, so I'm definitely buying it. A white linen shirt is another wardrobe staple. And since mine is not in a very good condition as of now, I'm definitely investing in this one, made of premium European linen. It can be worn alone or as a light outer layer, and I'm sure it will be on heavy rotation this spring and summer. To be completely honest, I'm not a big fan of offline shopping and I quickly got exhausted by it. Luckily I came across a beautiful cafe and spent some time there catching up on my work and enjoying delicious tea and sweets. And when we were about to go back to the hotel, I noticed another favorite store of mine, which is Charles & Keith. When I realized that the prices for the items are almost twice lower than in my country, I decided to try a couple of sandals. And well, that was a huge mistake, as I spent another half an hour trying to decide which pair to buy, as I loved each of them. And I'd be curious to know guys, what's your favorite model? Let me know in the comments. On our way back to the hotel, we got a call, and guess what? Someone cancelled and we got a table at Le Café Louis Vuitton. So we literally ran to this place and I was so happy we made it. I loved it, the design, service, the attention to the details, and of course delicious cakes. It's definitely worth a visit. Thanks for joining me today, and do let me know if you like this kind of videos by giving this video a thumb up, as I love sharing what I'm up to. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next one.